Every company, no matter how secure, harbors hidden risks that can jeopardize compliance. Ignoring these risks can lead to severe regulatory penalties. Uncovering risk is the first step to safeguarding your company, and tracking them is a requirement. Bias and risk assessments can lead to overlooked vulnerabilities. An unbiased approach ensures a comprehensive evaluation. Arrakis Consulting specializes in delivering impartial assessments, helping to ensure no stone is left unturned. With over 25 years of experience, Arrakis Consulting brings unparalleled expertise. Our team uses cutting-edge tools and methodologies, tailoring assessments to fit your company's unique needs. Our approach is not just about identifying risks, but also about providing actionable solutions. We ensure your company is not only compliant, but also resilient against future threats. Regulatory landscapes are constantly evolving. Non-compliance can result in hefty fines and reputational damage. Arrakis Consulting keeps you ahead of the curve with up-to-date assessments. Risk assessments are not just a regulatory requirement, but also a strategic advantage. We provide audit evidence that strengthens your company's position in the market. Hear how we've helped companies like yours achieve compliance and reduce risk. Our clients have seen reduced risks, cost savings, and improved operational efficiency. Partnering with us means less risk, peace of mind, and a secure future. Our success stories are a testament to the effectiveness of our approach. Don't wait for a compliance issue to arise. Contact Arrakis Consulting today for a consultation. Visit our website at arrakisconsulting.com or email us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to learn more about our services. By choosing Arrakis Consulting, you'll ensure your company is compliant and secure. Together, we can navigate the complexities of regulatory requirements with confidence. Let's recap. We've explored the hidden risks in companies, the importance of unbiased assessments, and the Arrakis advantage. Our real-world success stories highlight the benefits of partnering with us. Take action today. Secure your company's future with Arrakis Consulting. Let's work together to ensure compliance and mitigate risks effectively.